Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Yes, and after my board examination, I have given you in suggestion that one surprise is coming. Here it is, you are able to see, and here already saw the title that what is inside it. So without wasting time, let us do unboxing of this MacBook Air 2018. Means it's a kind of re-unboxing because I already unboxed it because I was not knowing about the proper things of Apple because this is my first Apple product. So let's do re-unboxing. Here is the box. Let's open it. And I already have kept it in sleep mode, so it will open automatically when I will just put on this screen. It takes some time to unbox, means to come out. So here is my MacBook Air of 1.25 kilogram. Just simple tricks. Swipe up, remove it, and keep this plastic away. Here it is of gold color. I think that it's kind of rose gold, which I have sewn in it. So here is the section of the wire which I have already taken out because of charging, and it's of Thunderbolt 3 supports in this MacBook, and it's of 2-meter long wire. So first keep it aside, and here is the booklet. Designed by Apple in California. So who made this and in which country? Empty thing. Apple wants to do something to this also. So here just swipe right. Open it. Quick start guide, which I prefer to read, and I also read this one because some things which I don't know, I can go for it and I can read it. Apple stickers. Very much confused where to stick it, and it's of gold color. Again, that same thing. Let us keep this also aside. And this is the power brick or adapter, whatever you says. USB type C, because the wire is also of type C connector to type C, and it's of 30-watt charger, and you can see the ratings over here of output and everything. You may see clearly, just read it. And here one thing that you can attach the charger of any country which you want by removing it. It's somewhat difficult to remove. Wait a second. Here it is. This is how it looks after removing, and here something is written of caution and attention. So please read it. And here simple, very small. It's little bit heavy but very much compact. So now voice is coming. Wait for 2 minutes. Voice is over. Box only this much. You can see the specifications, which I will tell you, and here everything is there and all the things. So now let's boot up this MacBook. So just simple, open it. Okay, so over here you will also get the wrap. Just remove it, and over here my name Deva Sharma, touch ID to enter. So over here touch ID is there at the end, which also works like a power button too. Okay, so it's on now. And over here multitasking gestures are also there, which I will let you know. which I will let you know in the another video, or if you want then you can go over here at this system preference, and you can get many more things over here, so you can do. And it's of so this whole screen is of 13.3 inches with diagonals, this one, or no, means like this diagonal, and it's LED blacklist display, which and it have 2560 by 1600 pixels, 1.6 gigahertz, dual core Intel Core i5 with 4 MB L3 cache, turbo boost up to 3.6 gigahertz, 4 GB of 2133 MHz LPDDR3 SD RAM, 256 gigabytes SSD storage, Intel UHD graphics 617 graphic card, Thunderbolt, here it is, Thunderbolt 3, in which you can transfer 40 GB per second, and it have such a good transfer speed which I have transferred from this pen drive. And you will now ask that how can I transfer. So I already have Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, by which I am recording this video and in which I get this OTG. So buy this for your kind information. And headphone jack is also there, and over here stereo speakers. These two are the stereo speakers, and really it's stereo types. And here is the headphone jack. Apple in mobile phones, not headphone jack is not present, but in laptops it's present, which is a very good thing they are doing. And Touch ID, which I already told you. Backlight keyboard with ambient light sensor, means this thing function, and brightness up. Over here light will come in night. Okay, you can also see over here also that brightness is increasing, decreasing, like that. You can see it's not of screen, it's of keyboard. And the latest Wi-Fi 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2 FaceTime HD camera, which is over here at the top of the screen. So over here you can see my mute drop. Okay, so this is the camera of 720p. No, not given the pixel of this thing. In it you will get Mac OS, size and weight 0.16 by 0.61 by 11.97 by 8.36 inches, and 2.75 pounds, which is around 1.25 kg, and nothing, just this much is given, and it costs this much. You can very much wise. Okay, you can see over here maximum retail price. Follow this MRP. So over here there are the butterfly keyboards by which you can type easily and very smoothly. Second thing, big mouse pad by which you can do a lot of things like adding desktop and many more. I will let you know in the second video. And over here double click option is not there, so that all the things I will give of the mouse trackpad in the next video, because if I will give the detailed explanation then it will be a very big video. So in the next video I will give the detailed explanation, and let us boot it and let I show you that how it does boot. Shut down. Boot means not a fully boot, I am just a types of restart. See, I haven't done anything then also, which is a good thing of Apple, which they are doing. See, now first enter your touch ID, then your password, which is not very much simple. I will put an icon. So I have entered the password, now it will come. So just this much thing, and I have just created my folder. These all things, ignore them. And I also
Welcome to macOS. Finder, Devar Sharma, window, icon view, collection, application. Voiceover off.
problem of voiceover. So I have just created my folder and everything, and this thing only, and Siri is also available, but you can't speak to it by telling hey Siri. You can't do that thing.
Would you like it louder or softer?
What's the weather of current location?
Here's the weather today.
Because of where I live, that thing very much hot. So let's, and really one thing which I would like to tell you, that in this I rarely use the keyboard. I only use this trackpad very much, because the keyboard while typing or anything like that is only the work. So now close it, and so now many more questions will come in your mind, that I am a Samsung user, so why I have bought an Apple product and why I haven't bought the iPhone before. I will tell this all questions which are arising in your mind in the next video. So till then, goodbye. What is over there? So I can't do this. One more thing, that every editing work now I am going to do in the laptop in iMovie, and let us see how it is.